Hello gentlemen, how are you? Welcome to my channel Piping Technical Trainer. Kindly subscribe my channel. Today's topic is how calculating 45-degree elbow offset. This is very easy and mostly students are confused. Why I don't understand, but watch this whole video, you can understand very easily. This is very easy, really. Watch this whole video. Let's go. Here, what you have to focus when using 45-degree elbows to make an offset, use the following rules. You have to follow the rules. First, multiply the length of set times 1.414 to determine the travel. Where is set? Set is, this is called set. This set you have to multiply travel. Understand? How much? 1.414. Now second, the length between the centers of the elbow. Between the centers of the elbow. This is the center of the elbow 45 degree and this is the center of the elbow 45 degree. This length is called travel. Understand? This length is called travel and this length is called run. Okay, now this is a table. When we are going to solve the question, we have to focus this table. For 60 degree it is given 1.15. For 45 degree it is given 1.41. This is travel. And for 30 degree 2, for 22.5 degree 2.61. This is all for travel and this is for run. These values are constant. Understand what I said? These values are constant. Let's see the question. This is a question. We'll see step by step. Okay. Here question is saying calculate the length of the pipe takeoff. Okay. Calculate the length of the pipe takeoff. This length we have to calculate this length. We assume as x equal to what? Let's see. The elevation is given 800 millimeter and the pipe theta or nominal pipe size is given. Pipe theta we will assume as pipe theta is given 6 inch for 45 degree elbow. This is 45 degree elbow and this is also 45 degree elbow. Here we have two 45 degree elbow. One is here, another one is here. Understand? Let's see the question. Here we have how we will calculate, step by step we will calculate. Understand? Now for 45 degree elbow takeoff, we have formula pipe theta into 15.8. You know 15.88 is constant for 45 degree elbow. You have to memorize it. Now next step, pipe theta we know. Pipe theta is here 6 inch. We'll keep 6 inch here into 15.8 equal to 94.8 millimeter. We will get for one elbow. This is the measurement for one elbow. Now next step what we will do, we will calculate for second elbow. This is here. We have total here 2 elbows 45 degree. Here we have all elbows nominal pipes. Nominal size is 6 inch. Understand? Now for 2 elbow we will multiply by 2. 94. What we will get here, we will multiply this by 2. 94.8 into 2 we will get 189.6 millimeter. Understand? This is the value for 2 elbows. Okay. Note 15.8 is constant value for 45 degree elbow. Now next step. This is very important. This is really very important. Most of them not understand this much. This one. Now calculate the value of length. This is the length. Now for 45 degree we have to calculate the length. L equal to 800. What is 800 multiply 1.414? What I said, you have to see the constant for 45 degree elbow. Here we have the constant for 45 degree elbow 1.414. Now what we'll do, 800 into 1.414 for this is for 45 degree elbow. Now if suppose if here there is 60 degree, then after you have to multiply 1.15. Now we have here 45 degree, that's why we multiply by this value 1.414. We will get 1131.2. Now x, we will calculate x. X equal to L minus 2 nose 45 degree elbow. 2 nose, 2 number of 45 degree elbows. X equal to L. L how much we have calculated here? L 1131.2. This is 1131.2 minus 2 elbows. This is the calculation we got here. 189.6 millimeter. We will keep here 189.6 millimeter. X will get 941.6 millimeter. This is the value of x. This is x. We'll get the value of x. Note 1.414 is constant value for 45 degree elbow. Where we got this value for 45 degree elbow? See the table. Table is here. See the table. 45 degree elbow 1.414. Okay. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me. Any question you have, you can ask me, or you write in the comment box. Thank you.